Aisha finished her commentary, and I'm going to finish this because I think I got one more page, and then we'll go to the DTC records.
You good. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. Okay, it says, who is the DOI investigating officials, reviewing officials, the presiding officers, and DOJ approving officers? The investigating officials is the DOJ Inspector General. The reviewing officials is the DOI Solicitor, specifically the General Law Division. The presiding officer is an administrative law judge. So that's an officer, right? That's a judge who is administrative, right? From the DRI, Office of the Hearing and Appeals. The DOJ authorization is made by the DOJ, commercial litigation branch. So anything that says litigation and civil, then we know it's an OMB claim. That's the only thing you're doing is filing a claim. They finding fault, and they getting them to admit their fault. And you know they're going to say, hey, I didn't do it, I got nothing to do it, but guess what? I'm going to pay just to get you out my hand. I pay them too. That's the settlement. That's all. That's how you're going to have to get them. Straight like that. That's it. That's all. And it says, what are the available remedies under the PFCRA? The remedies vary based on the nature of the conduct that gives rise to the PFCRA violation. If the violation is based upon a false claim, and they do it all the time, the government may recover a civil penalty of up to $5,000 per claim. That means that if they sent you 1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letter, 4, all that's money. Don't throw those things away. Keep them. Those are claims. If you got a lien, then I'm going to file a claim on your lien. That's what you're doing to recover your losses, which can be adjusted for inflation. So they saying those penalties is going to be put towards adjustment for them inflating the lies and causing inflation to go up, food, gas, all this other stuff. And then you ain't the only one. They've been doing this forever. They want to give you the problem and come and say, hey, we got the solution. That's why the inflation is there. In addition, if the government paid the false claim, then the government may also recover an assessment in lieu of damages of up to twice the amount of the claim. So basically saying now the government, you get triple, they get 2 times the amount per claim or violation. Remember, each letter they sent to you is a claim. It's a violation. Those are threats, harassment. Now we're looking at the Grand Leash Bailey Act. We're looking at the Sherman Act. We're looking at wildfire. You see how they stack up on that ass? You see how your money gonna be stacking too? It ain't gonna come like that, and it's gonna be a time thing. You just gotta stick with it. You're gonna see the light at the end of the tunnel. The work you put in is the fruit that you're gonna eat from that labor of the work you put in. What are the damages and penalties? Damages generally are the difference between what the U.S. paid and the amount it would have paid if the claims or statements had been truthful. This is a flexible standard. In case involving only certified false written statements, certified, they go in court with that, they certified it. They send it to you by certified mail with them fake statements. Also, guess what? That's mail fraud. You making false statements through the mail. You making the U.S. Postal Man be implemented in your crime. You're making them a co-conspirator. That's on them. The person is liable. Remember, what is a person? A person is a business, right? Is liable only for the penalty of up to $5,000 each false statement. D. White got it right. The Federal Reserve. Didn't they go to the DWD and false claim in the courts? They done went to the Federal Register. Lied to them. So you going back to that registry and you going to give the money back. That's what they saying. It says adjusted for inflation with the Federal Register. Notice issued by the DOJ. Y'all gonna refund it. And you know if you didn't pay taxes on it, you got it from the Federal Registry. That's that ass too. Remember the IRS used the treasury. Come on, they all one and the same. No actual damages are required. Did y'all just see that? No actual damages are required. If they know that it's going to be deceptive trade practicing going on, period. If that was not the case, we wouldn't be live at 5 talking about it. You get what I'm saying? And they say, however, only penalties can be sought in those instances. They're going to get them anyway. These PFCRA remedies are available in addition to any other remedies available to the government. Criminal, civil, including potentially the False Claims Act. So they're going to hit them with that too. Hello. And administrative, that means what? They said suspension, debatement, and contract remedies. Debarment, which means they finna either suspend that license, you're going to get, for them false contracts, they're going to get remedies from that because they gave you deceptive agreement, right? Debarments, that's your debentures, your bonds, all that, what we've been talking about. They putting it in your face, guys. It's in your face. Y'all can go pull this up. It's been out since 2018. However, the law generally allow recovery of only one remedy for the same conduct. So if they only commit one conduct, you get that one remedy. But as we peel back the onion, they done did so many steps against you. You get in trouble them out. That a civil judgment must be credited for any criminal restitution ordered and collected based upon the same at the tally. Any administrative judgment must be credited for any
the internet went out. Really.